This is James from the Alibaba Cloud Academy. I'm excited to introduce you to our new video series called the Cloudcast with the Academy. It's going to be on YouTube Live, and we're going to be showing it every week, and we're going to be talking to solution architects and product developers about the newest products and solutions that the Alibaba Cloud is producing. So today is our first segment, and we're going to be talking about the short message service, also known as the SMS, which provides APIs and SDKs to developers around the world. Alibaba Cloud Short Message Service provides one-time passwords, push notifications, transaction notifications, and promotional campaigns to both domestic and international markets. So today we're joined by Amod Kulkarni, who is a solution architect based in Bangalore, India, and he will be talking about some basic architectures of the SMS, the technical background of the product, and as well as giving us a short demo that's going to walk us through sort of the basic setup of your first short message service so you can jump on Alibaba Cloud today and start using it. So without further ado, here's Amod.
So in today's world, the most important thing is to stay ahead of the competition. And to stay ahead of the competition requires the faster way of convincing the message. Now, there are multiple ways to convey those messages. One, the first and most important way is you can go point to point and just tell that message to the customer, which is very time consuming. But at the same time, there are mechanisms like your chat, your phone, your calls, everything. But from business point of view, making all these things and trying all these things and making it available to all the customer is a little bit tedious task. That's where the SMS services are going to give a big boost. Let's consider one example. You are a retail company and you are going to launch a promotion. Now for that promotion, you have decided a window of, let's say, for example, 6 to 8 hours, and that window should be within morning 6 to evening 6. Now within that time you wanted to reach to the maximum number of customers. How will you be able to do that? The fastest and easiest way to reach is to send the SMS, because mobile is an integral part of a human life right now. It has to be reached fast. It is continuously available, and at the same time it can be visible within seconds, fractions of seconds. Here, this is what the SMS offerings are going to make a difference, and that's where Alibaba has launched these services as one of the best industry leading practices. Now these SMS services does not only revolve around just giving the promotional, it revolves around your OTP, it revolves around your transactional SMS, it revolves around multiple services or broadcasting of your promotional activities or like that, right? So overall business benefits with this is business will engage directly with the users, and it will be available on as a native platform to the users. So in future, if you want to send this as a service or utilize this service for your own business purpose, it's just plug and play operations. We will definitely take a look at it, how is it possible in the demo section, but it is very much possible and it's very easy. Most of the features are available here. The typical scenario for this SMS services involves around banking. That means your transaction alerts, your authentication, your promotions, your order confirmations, your news alerts or updates. I mean, you take any industry, if you want to convey the message, the fastest and easiest way is to run through the SMS. It's highly evident that a person looks at SMS more quickly than any other media. That's why this makes it makes a very essential for most of the customers to have this service as a necessity. Now we have a seamless integration with Alibaba Cloud. You have a business API SaaS layer from the business. We have already done the integration with the service provider. We have technology empowerment. We have the entire total converge solution, and it's a fully operational support. And the performance is guaranteed. We have done the tie-up with the telecom operator, which will be able to send these SMS to your end customer. So with Alibaba Cloud SMS, business can establish communication channel with their customers with just a single API connection from Alibaba Cloud itself, and integrate seamlessly with Alibaba Cloud services such as ECS and RDS. The integration is painless and can be completed within a day. It supports SMS is supported in most of the household. So from the end user point of view, you don't have to worry which is the end device and is it going to support or not. It's pretty flexible, pretty easy, and very simple. As I said earlier, we have done a little bit research in last couple of 12 months, and we have found that most of the industries, whether it's a book, whether it's a travel, whether it's a medical, whether it's a historical, traveling industry, restaurants, everywhere, this SMS services are increasing. If you see the percentage of increase, it is continuously growing more than 15% for each of the vertical. That's why this makes a critical offering. Right now, if you're rolling out some new business offerings, new campaigns, definitely SMS is the smartest and easiest way for your B2C communications, and it's widely used. Global A2P SMS market is very huge. If you see from the revenue point of view, the left-hand side indicates the total $1 million revenue which has been there, and the most important territory where the revenue is good is the Asia, where it has been identified as one of the biggest market. The global A2P SMS messaging market is estimated to worth close to $20 billion in 2019 and will increase definitely to 26.61 billion by 2022. So the CAGR increase of 17.5, which is going to grow. The market is huge. The potential is huge. Definitely, most of our customer will definitely get benefit out of it. Now, let's just spend some time on the demo itself. Let me just open. Uh, can you see my screen? Can you see the screen?
Amod, go ahead.
Perfect. So here, this is the Alibaba Cloud screen. When you log in, the home screen will be look like this, where you can see the home page. Here, if you see the SMS services, I'm just opening the SMS services, right? So I have done a couple of dry runs by myself, so you can see the SMS overview starts like this. You can see the statistics on the main screen, where you can do the identification of how much total SMS you have sent, how much of them are success and how much are the failed one. And you can go drill down into all of this. So let's say, for example, on which date I have sent two and two are failures. I can click on the details and I can see from where it has sent, at what time, what is the message, from whom, the message ID, and the error code, and why the delivery is failed, right? In the success, also the same thing. Here, if you see, I have sent 3 SMS on the date of 14th May. The delivery was successful, right? You can see all this, all this record, right? Now, when you come to the main screen, you can also see the dashboard. How much have you sent last month, this month, and of course, you can create a customized dashboard also. It's pretty simple, very easy, right? Now here, I'm just sending. This is the console where you can see. Now the most important question is, I mean, you can do it. You can send the SMS one by one. But what about if I have to do it in bulk? So I will just show you that mechanism as well. It's not like that it's going to be a rigid workflow. So we have the API. If you can see on my right side, you can see the code is already being generated over here, right? From the API Explorer, Open API Explorer. Here you can see we have support for most of the code. Java, Node.js, Go, PHP, Python, .NET, and Ruby. Almost all languages are supported. So here I can say, this is my number. I'm sending it to Amod. The message is, this is test from Ali SMS webinar, and from, I can say it's Ali SMS. Now, when I see that, the simple thing is I'll just create a submit request, and the submit request is generated over here as a part of the debugging SMS, right? But most important thing is you can see the code is getting generated. What is the debugging parameter, right? Now, when you want to automate this and send into a bulk and integrate with your application layer, this is pretty much easy, and it has been done for you, right? So you don't have to go all the way and start doing from the scratch. You can do it itself. And here, if you see, you can do the downloading of that code here itself, right? Now let's just come over here. Now I can, what is the advantage from Alibaba? It's not only the global, but if you as a customer has a strategy to go to China, then this promotion will work on China as well. So one single platform which can allow you to go to the entire world and China as well. So this is a beneficial for us. So if your GTM go-to-market strategy for the current business is to expand in China market as well, we are the right platform. Now, after doing this, if you see the usage summary, in usage summary, we have seen you will get the entire details, but you will also get the SMS delivery trend. That means at what time I am sending most of the SMS, at what time I'm rolling out the campaigns, at what time or what duration it is been done for me earlier. So it will help you to analyze the trend and understand at what time of duration you make a better sale or you make a better business by sending these SMSs, right? Now, if you see on the fee report, you will also get the chargeback mechanism. In which region are you sending and what is your expenditure cost? If you see in purchase, you can see a lot of buying. So you can buy 3,000, 8,000, 20,000 messages, 180 days validity, and you can send it on all global. That is perfectly available with us. The package validity is 180 days, but you can definitely increase whenever you want, right? Now here, if you see on the details, this is the pack I have done, but overall, you can get region-wise spending and SMS sent packages. That is very much available with you. You will also have the records which you can search. Now, what are the messages which are being sent on 13th May? I'm searching for this and the status is on the delivered. So you can see the entire reporting within this one go, right? In the system settings, if you go, now whenever I send the messages, I need to have a delivery report, whether it has been done or not. I can enable or disable. It's pretty flexible and easy. The most important thing is you will have the API specifications over here, how to integrate, what are the parameters, how you can do it. Everything is available. That makes it very flexible, very easy, and very simple to integrate with your existing applications, right? Now, the second option is for sending request, the delivery report should be posted in a URL. Now, what happened is this is the classic case. I mean, the conversion rate, how I can identify what is the configure response is going to be. So you can enter this and simple, you just receive all these reports, right? It's pretty simple. Here you go on the delivery threshold, and here if you see, you can define the daily warning threshold, a daily suspend report, monthly warning threshold, and monthly suspend threshold. This is pretty flexible. This will help you to identify the trending and analysis and where to send, how to send, and all that, right? You can even define the frequency settings. 20, I've just set it 20. You can do more than 30, 40. I mean, it depends on the requirement because it is going to be a massive sending mechanism. So yeah, this is what the entire workflow like. Now here, from here, you just create 91 of India code and you save the number. Just input the sender ID something and send. This is test. Now once you send that, automatically the code on the API Explorer will easily get this code. And here on the left hand side, you can see what are the APIs related to that. For example, query message. In query message, you can see the Java code is already been written. What is the success? What is the error code? Everything has been done for you. So you don't have to worry too much. How am I going to make the request? How am I going to integrate my existing app with the APIs? Everything is been given here. And the APIs are pretty simple. You can create a template. Most of the time, what happen is you want to utilize a promotional or any kind of a SMS campaign, you create a template and you replicate it multiple times. So for creating that, you can just see the template form. As I start going, for example, 454542626 template code, you can certify any your template code from. This is like Ali webinar template parameter, maybe whatever you have, 8 9, and SMS up extend, I can say 80, something like that. You see automatically, see here, all the requests are getting automatically filled, and this will be like a very easy to use. So, and this is not true only for Java. If I go in the Node.js, I can see the Node.js also getting updated. You can see the post, right? You go, all these parameters are getting. So for a campaign, it is very easy for you to get all these packages inbuilt and just run. It's pretty simple. So lot of time is been wasted on setting the SMS server, talking to those carriers, building on your own services, managing that server, maintenance of the code, arranging support for that. Everything is a very time consuming. Instead of that, you have this platform and you can leverage it as quickly as possible. It helps you to speed up your go-to-market process, promotional process, and it helps you to make your edge in the market as compared to your competitors. So this is pretty much easy. Yeah. Now let me see if I'm missing anything. Okay. From the developer point of view, you have a developer guide over here. You just click on how those APIs on these languages are getting integrated. You can see, just click it and everything will be downloaded immediately for you. Perl, Python, PHP, the SDK will be available for you. It's pretty self-explanatory, and most of the things are available there itself. So you don't have to worry about if I have to go and integrate it, what I need to do. Everything is there, so no need to do that. Here, the necessary required help, how to start, how to do, how to proceed, all these informations are there itself on the dashboard. So if you think that I really don't have the knowledge of SMS services, but I want to integrate as my business advantages, I don't know how to start and where to do that, the documentation is easily available for you. Of course, if you need any help, we have the necessary ecosystems of partners, the CSPs, and of course, myself is available 24 by 7. If you want to have discussions on those levels, I will definitely help you. And our team also is capable of handling that. So, let me just check if I'm not forgetting anything to tell you guys, right? Okay, so again, yeah, this is what I forgot. You can actually check about your packages. Let's say, for example, you have taken a package of 3 million or 4 million SMS. How much is the remaining? Most of the time, what happens is you run the campaign, you send the SMS, but you forgot the track, how much I have utilized, and how do I get the visibility where I have spent, how much I have spent. Now in coming week, I have another promotion for which I need to have a buffer. So all those statistics can be seen here, and it's pretty straightforward. If it is going down, you can just purchase easily, very easily. You can have it very easily. The best part is you can see all the regions here. Here, this is a global SMS package I'm having. Here it's from China. Here it's Hong Kong. Here it's to Singapore, Indonesia, India local SMS, Australia, Taiwan. So the ultimate thing is, from one platform, you can generate this as a campaign depending on your GTM strategy. Let's say one of the startup who is working in India, but they want to spread their wings maybe in US or maybe in UK or maybe in Taiwan or maybe in Malaysia, Indonesia. All those things are very much possible from the single platform. It's flexible, it's easy to use, it's available, and it's very interactive. You don't have to be master of the cloud itself to manage this. So this is what it is. Yeah, just a moment. Yeah. So this is what I was searching. So in fact, I have tried a couple of since I don't have the package, so I was not able to get the details of this data. But yeah, you can actually search from your continental and region wise also. Definitely, yeah. in China also. Yeah, I haven't said it, but yeah, you can do you can have the visibility of this definitely. Yeah. Yeah, so in with this, I think I have everything which has been needed to be shown. Maybe we can take some questions now. This is like a question. Can we have questions now? INR plans for SMB, we can actually work it out definitely, but definitely we need to look into the quantity as well. But yes, to answer your question, it is available. We have MongoDB and we have Mapr. Cloudera, no, we don't. In Africa right now, no. But yes, there are things which in progress. Maybe you can share your details with the panel, and we will get back to you when it's done. The subscription charges are pretty flexible. There are a couple of reasons why I didn't post those charges, but yes, it is pretty flexible. It's very affordable, and let me give you, we are actually uh, Alibaba SMS offerings are one of the best offerings in terms of in terms of charges as well. So we can discuss on that. Let us just know. Okay, I got a question. I get close to 50 SMSs a day. I don't read any of them. Are you sure that the business sending more SMSs? No, that's, I mean, this is one of the way, definitely. You don't read. In fact, I also get irritated couple of times. But you know what? The maximum people, when you get the SMS, you get the attention, and that's the idea of overall idea of SMS campaign, right? SMS services. Any upper limit to send SMS? No, there is no upper limit. You can, as we seen, there is a threshold which can define by ourselves. So there is no limit. Can we send bulk customized SMS with names? Yes, of course, you can do that. That's what we have seen. You can do that. You can do it program wise, code wise. Everything is available. You can do that, of course. I'm sorry, the window is moving very fast. A lot of questions are coming. So just give me some time. Let me just read it through. Can we send bulk customized SMS with him? Yes, I will. Okay. If we okay, if we want to see usage report based on the by campaign or by application name integration, this is a good question. From the campaign from the campaign, it has not been there, but ultimately in campaign only you will be seeing how much of SMS delivered on which number, right? So you have that. I mean, here in the screen, if you see, you have this usage summary reports, right? In at what date? So you can see details, and for particular day, what are the usages? You can see that, right? Can you see that, guy? Can you see these reports? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. We have no plugin available, but I mean SDK is available. So SDK is good, pretty good and stable. You can utilize it. The cost is very attractive. We definitely can have one-to-one discussion about it. You just let us know, and we will be part of it, and we will discuss with you, and we'll make sure that you will be leading this. We are very aggressive in terms of offerings. Yeah. We don't have, I mean, as I told you, we have the SDK available. SDK is pretty stable, but it's pretty stable and it's pretty robust. Yes. So as you see how to do that, I told you this is the bulk SMS conversation, bulk SMS. So you have all the APIs. Where do you want to send, right? You can do it in you from your API itself. You can do that. There is one more feature which is going to get added. This bulk SMS over here only. It is in progress. Hopefully by this weekend or maybe maximum by this month, it will be available from the GUI as well. But yes, right now you can do it from your API or programs. As compared to AWS and Azure, what is different Alibaba can offer? Okay, this is a good question. So the first and most important differentiator is go global. That means AWS and Azure can offer you from the US or UK or anywhere, right? But go to China, it is very difficult. It's very different for them. Alibaba can give you that. But not only that, Alibaba can give you a US offerings as well. So yeah, that's what the differentiator. Another thing is we have a very comprehensive set of API. It has been tested. It's a very robust platform. But yes, I mean these are the strengths actually. Yeah. Okay, how will be the cost compared to others? Yes, we are very aggressive. We are very aggressive. You just let us know. We can have a discussion, and definitely more the volume, more the better. Yeah. Please explain the template parameter. Okay. Do you want to know the template parameter? Okay. The message with template. This is the one, right? Okay. Let me just show it to you. Let me know in case if you need some details or just to hold on, because I don't get that idea, right? I mean, how much you require time and all that, right? Okay. So you can say template code 1234 and from Ali SMS webinar, right? Template parameter maybe 123, maybe 8 or 9, whatever. SMS up extend code, I will say 80, right? Now here, if I do this, right? Here you get a link, right? If you see, right? The response code and all these things, right? And you also get the read request URL here, right? Here, if you go, the code is automatically and self-generated here, right? Can you see that? I hope this is okay for you, right? Yeah. Okay. How to push a bulk SMS to multiple numbers? So you have, I mean, you have this SDKs, right? So as I told earlier, we are actually providing that bulk SMS functionality in the GUI itself. It is in the progress. It will be sooner it will be done. But yes, right now you can leverage our APIs and put it into your application and use it to send multiple or bulk SMSs by itself. The SDK is pretty much flexible, easy, and available. right? So you can leverage that. How to handle reply messages from customer. Example, if you want to stop service, then reply with no, 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 no. So you can't. This is a one-way communication, right? This might be on for your promotions. This might be for your go-to-market strategy. This is for your marketing purpose. So any number from where you are sending, it's a one-way conversation. So you cannot do reply, right? How to create a new template which is custom one. So here is the parameter, right? I mean, the API is here, it's send message with template. So you can create a new template as long as you want. Any much templates as you want. INR plans for SMB. There are plans, of course. We have availability of a lot of plans with us. Definitely, we can have a discussion around that. You just let us know. You share your coordinates with the team, and we will get back to you with the details. How to create a new template, which is custom one. Yeah, this is I just answered this one. You can create multiple templates. You have the API, you enter this, you get the code, and you create multiple as much as templates as you want. Where do I get pricing details? So there were some pricing which has been there. I'm not sure, but let me just check. It was there on the website. Okay, let me just Alibaba Cloud SMS price, right? Let me just look at this. It was published on the website itself. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, you can see this, right? Yeah. So this is for the India, and we can definitely, based on the volume, definitely we can actually look at what needs to be done. So you just, if you just share with your coordinates with us, and we will get back to you on the best what we can, we are having. Is there any, I'm sorry, the questions are coming very, okay, very slow. How to push, okay, bulk SMS to multiple numbers, okay? Does this service is integrated with Alibaba Cloud hosting service? These services are running on Alibaba Cloud only. Yeah. Is there any integration with WhatsApp? No. There is not that I'm aware of. No, it's not. Don't you think getting SMS via WhatsApp gets more attention than SMS? Uh, yes and no. I'll tell you what. I'm a I'm a very vivid user of WhatsApp. Whenever the message comes, you have the flexibility of muting and make it available. But yes, when your SMS comes, the voice, the sound, the immediate attention is more than WhatsApp. This is like covering multiple angles and multiple areas with multiple ways, which actually helps you to get quick attention, right? And SMS is one of the way. Here we need to purchase cloud and mobile number data packs separately. I did not understand this question, but help me to give some more details. That will be great. It will work with transaction messages and promo messages. Okay. Mm, the same for is this same for promotional and transactional? No, the cost. So the costing will be involving in the number of messages you will be sending, the quantity, the bulk. like for 1 million, 10 million, or 30 million, the costing actually it's based on the volume. There is no difference for promotional and all that, right? Do we need to purchase here? We need to purchase cloud and mobile data pack separately. No, we will. This is from the platform, right? You don't have to do anything. You just opt for the services, SMS services, and everything will be done and taken care from the platform. Does SMS charge for delivery only or charged for non-delivery as well? No, if you look at it, it will be the total combination. So if it's failed, you will come to know the failed, right? I'll show you, right? Delivery failed, SP unknown. So yeah, right? So it's a package only for sending. Excel upload is possible. No, that mechanism is not there right now. Okay. Uh, this is how it is different from other SMS solutions available in the market. Okay, definitely. So as I told initially, the customer who has a global GTM strategy along with go to China strategy, this is one of the biggest distribution. This platform can give you a global along with the the China market, right? Now, uh, how will you handle in case NDNC customer complaints sent to try? Okay, so we have done the integration with the telecom, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly what you mean by the complaint. According to the try, each customer complain, then what to do? Complain about what exactly? Okay, yes, I'll take the last question. How to integrate with application for transactional alerts? So we, alerts, here if you see the alerts, you have in this, you have this alerts and queue message, right? Okay, where is it? Yeah, yeah, there are events which has been there by which you can try. Yeah, yeah, it's available. Okay. Does Alibaba support WhatsApp messaging? No, we don't. So, all right, guys, you just share whatever the questions we have. I've tried to answer maximum, but the window is really coming very fast. Do send us in case I missed anybody's question. Please do send us. I will definitely get back to you on this. And
Amod, can you take two more questions? I have just two. Hmm,
which one?
relevant. I have just posted.
Which one? Okay, okay, yeah. Does the Alibaba support WhatsApp messaging? No, I've already answered. We don't. Can we generate the dashboard, failure, success, total message, view messages, detail? Yes, 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 of course. So if you see this dashboard here, you can generate it, right? The success, delivered, failed, everything is there. You can even get from the usage summary also. Here today I have sent how much have been delivered, how much are failed, right? You can even get the dashboard for your fees, consumptions, right? It's there. It's very much available there. You can do that, right? So, okay, fine. Thank you all, and please do share your feedbacks. Thank you.
Thanks guys for joining us, and thanks Amod for his presentation. For more information about the Alibaba Cloud Academy, log on to edu.alibabacloud.com, where there's certification courses on the SMS and other things, and free videos that you guys can check out. And you can also check out our YouTube channel, which has a lot of free videos as well. So, see you in the cloud.